This was the same for the works of Aristotle, that the body and psyche, or soul as he called it, in his view are connected to one another. Thus, if one attempts to drain themselves of humanity through digital Gnostic intent, they will only pacify their soul, make it blunt and numb. For Aristotle writes that the soul neither exists without a body, but it belongs to a body and for this reason is present in a body. End quote. Thus, what becomes of man when his intentions lack any substance to the body itself? When he affirms an idea and concept secluded to the mind and of conceptual fantasy? Or only pertains to the fantasies of the mind and digs deep into the unsatisfied resent of irreality and disembodiment? His soul goes passive and schizoid due to his dependence on exterior animation, in which he introjects from every screen and loading page. The soul becomes flattened and is replaced by an exterior source of mediocre distraction. Aristotle is most definitely right. The burning soul within man does not exist when he rejects his own divine body. For Aristotle, the soul which exists within the body is the substance, and that which first can achieve entelechy, or potential for oneself. Thus, when numbed and the soul flattened, no potential can be realised or fulfilled by the what Nietzsche would call last man, as the soul cannot be found in his own unconscious abyss of blind illusion. Ultimately, the act of attaining potential, which is to create one's own reality through the action of their beating soul, is forever lost within the digital matrix in which he has lost his mind in, until the depths of his ground begin to show cracks stretching ever further each day, whereby his final destination will show us how life-living he truly is. Just as Alexander Lowen writes, without awareness of bodily feeling and attitude, a person becomes split into a disembodied spirit and disenchanted body.